I've had insomnia on and off for many years now, but I've found the following 10 tips have helped me hugely. If you want to feel more energized and focused during the day and look younger, then keep watching. Tip number 1, our body needs the hormones melatonin and serotonin, which regulate sleep. Without them, you're screwed no matter what you do. They're produced in our gut by bacteria, so ensure you eat gut-friendly foods like fermented tofu, raw sauerkraut, kefir or kombucha to give the bacteria what they need to thrive. I have a video on that topic just here. This was a game changer for me and the most important thing I think you can do. If you don't want to change your diet, you can take these pre and probiotic supplements, which I take daily, and I'll link these below as well. Tip number 2, the blue light from phone or computer screens can also interfere with your body's production of melatonin. Your brain literally thinks the blue light coming from your screen is the sunrise and it's time to get up. That's the last thing you want when you're going to bed at night. I personally stopped using my PC and turned down the blue light setting on my phone at 8 p.m. every night. If I have to use the device after 8 p.m, then I wear blue light blocking glasses which filter out the blue light, and I'll link these below together with a discount code, and I don't care if they look silly because they really help me sleep. Tip number 3, create a relaxing bedtime routine an hour or so before you go to bed. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath or practicing some gentle yoga or meditation. So around an hour before bed, I don't do any work. I meditate, I try to read or pet my cat, just as she's appeared here. She's photobombed me just at the right time this time. I also have a foot massager that I use. If you have a real life person who can massage your feet, even better. So your body gets into the routine of expecting to sleep. And if you do this every night, I find it's a real help. Tip number 4, set a consistent schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. If I have just one late night, then that will screw up my sleep for at least the next few days. Even if I do have a late night, I force myself to wake up at my regular time to try to stay in that rhythm. Tip number 5, get regular exercise. Physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. On days when I don't go to the gym or at least go for a walk, my sleep suffers. Just make sure you don't exercise too close to bedtime. Tip number 6, it goes without saying, keep your bedroom dark and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains like these. They have a backing on the back that blocks the sun or the light, and I also have blackout blinds as well, so I have a double whammy. You may even need to get soundproofing if you have noisy neighbors. Another option is these sleep masks. Now I am the world expert on these. I've tried them all. This is one of my favorites. I'll link this below. I got this on Amazon. It's great because the sides are soft, they don't cut into your ears, and the sections that cover your eyes are on Velcro, so you can literally customize this to the shape of your face. Another one which I really like is Dr. Harris, and I've got a discount code, I'll link this below. Again, it totally blocks the light out, it doesn't cut into your skin, but this has little patches which are supposed to act like Botox and stop wrinkles in your face. Whether that works or not, I don't know, but it's a nice kind of soft, silky material as well. ASMR is huge on YouTube. It's basically finding out which sounds will totally relax you and get you off to sleep. For me, it's whispering. For others, it's the sound of fire or rain on the window or hair being brushed. Do some research and you'll be amazed how it can help you get to sleep. There have been so many times when I've not been able to sleep and I play some ASMR and I'm gone straight away. Even if I wake up at 3 a.m, it can still help me get back to sleep. Tip number 8, don't allow these tips and advice to turn into an obsession, as some insomniacs have so much anxiety about creating a perfect sleep environment or maintaining a schedule, which ends up causing and perpetuating their insomnia. So listen to the tips, but chill. Tip number 9, try a lavender essential oil spray like this one, which I'll link below. It's pretty cheap. You spray it on your pillow and it does help me to sleep, but on its own, it doesn't work that well. You have to follow the other tips as well. Actually, this is amazing. I'm going to use this tonight. Tip number 10, if you still find it hard to sleep, don't lay in bed awake. Try to do something distracting until you do feel sleepy. The worst thing is to lay there angry or worrying that you're going to be too tired to do something important the next day. Bonus tip 11, if you're not totally into healthy aging subjects like earthing, supplements or skincare, then watch my YouTube videos. They will bore you to sleep, if not to death. And I just want to mention tuning forks. So I've started using these before I sleep. The sound is so relaxing. You just listen to it, you chime it a few times, It helps you meditate, it helps you forget any problems. It kind of takes you out of your worrying, thinking brain. And I can't explain, but this is amazing. These are only about $15. I'm going to link this below on Amazon. I have a whole playlist on grounding mats or earthing mats. So these connect you to the earth while you sleep, and I find that it helps my sleep. They also help with reducing inflammation and other things, but I've found this has improved my insomnia massively. So you can get all different sizes. I have one that runs along the bottom of my bed. If none of that helps, definitely check out the Natural Sleep website, as they have a vast array of technology, lamps, massagers to treat insomnia and avoid sleeping pills. You get 5% saving by using the code 10 years younger at checkout. I hope this video will help you to sleep better. Subscribe for more health and wellness, and I'll see you next time.